From the first ever light bulbs to modern AI robots, inventions made our daily lives easier and better. As we progress into a future filled with new innovations, we have to stay in the know about next level inventions. Buckle up for a thrilling ride to the world where imagination meets reality. Conveniently bring your laptop anywhere with this laptop with no screen. This third thumb is an extra body part you never knew you needed. A spider-like car made to be driven in those impossible places. Nap anywhere with this ostrich pillow that allows you to comfortably sleep anywhere you want. Love to travel with your bike? You'll love this bike capsule. Walk with the speed like you're running with this genius invention. Effortlessly transfer your UTV to your truck with this tough lift. A folding fan and a self-defense tool in one? I'm in. These bus road markings are used to prioritize bus lanes to promote road safety. Too lazy in the morning? This bed makes itself and has climate-controlled sheets. This lamp is built with a motion sensor and is perfect to use in any activity. Protect your houses and yards with this flood protection system. This multifunctional, multi-angle, and foldable level elevates the construction. Pangolin Scale's dress can change colors based on the brain activity of the model. Pivot buoy enables offshore wind production in deep waters and aims to reduce the level of energy cost by up to 50%. Scientists found a way to help people with heart illness using this soft robotic heart. Work more efficiently and travel farther with this hypershell exoskeleton. Be more cautious in using this all-seeing camera instead of traditional side mirrors. Watch this house get bigger in a matter of seconds. This origami-inspired foldable mouse is Bluetooth enabled and is as light as paper. Keep your shoe soles perfectly clean and fresh with a sneaker sole. Hundreds and thousands of lives will probably be saved with this emergency tool. The Solid Shield is a lightweight, compact rescue tool to dig you out of any hole. Ample's modular battery swapping station can charge cars to 100% in just 10 minutes. Earn that 5-star in your kitchen without lifting any of your fingers with this robotic arm. Feel what you see with haptic gloves with a realistic touch. Did you ever imagine that your ride to work could fit perfectly in your backpack? Obi Robot helps disabled people feed themselves by allowing users to control their pace and choose what to eat. This airbag jacket was mainly invented to protect elderly people from getting major injuries from falling. A leash that's designed not just to walk your dog safely, but to catch their poop easier. This augmented reality t-shirt brings learning to more interactive and more fun. Fend is a helmet on the go that's easy to store and has a unique design. This ultra-pressure hose can cut through brick and metal to blow water inside while protecting the firefighters. Save your cat from high temperatures with this Orion robotic sunshade that's easy to install. Be like Spider-Man with this useful and brilliant retractable web shooter. If you're a parent and you spend too much on your children's clothes, this is for you. Your secrets are absolutely safe with this revolutionary invention. This hula hoop never falls down and can fit all body sizes. Fire extinguishers are safer now as they can protect the person while killing the fire. This invention can find items that are hidden by combining wireless sensing computer vision. Have you heard of a self-parking slipper? This invention is on another level. This vehicle can transform from a land vehicle to a water vehicle in less than 5 seconds. Working while on vacation? Check out this portable desk that you can bring anywhere. This smart invention solved the labor shortage in agriculture in Japan. Worry no more about pushing your child's stroller uphill with this AI-driven stroller. Clean your windows without any effort with this smart window cleaner. The future of sweeping is electrified. Can this machine replace street sweepers? The loading system of this robotic truck loading brings speed and safety. This robotic excavator has automatic digging features, and you can control it wherever you are. Just input your measurements and this mannequin quickly transforms to fit your exact sizes. And we're wrapping up. We hope you enjoy this showcase of mind-blowing inventions. What's your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on to stay on top of the coolest tech realm. Until next time, keep exploring.